Welcome to the deep blue sea. So many creatures live here. What can you see? Look, a fish. It swims so fast. Fish say blub blub. Can you say it too? Blub blub. Wow, a dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and play. They say eek eek. Can you say eek eek? And here comes the turtle. Slow and steady, turtles swim with their flippers. Turtle says swish swish. Can you say swish swish? Look, a jellyfish. It floats like a balloon. Jellyfish say whoosh whoosh. Can you say whoosh whoosh? Here's a starfish. It has 5 arms and loves to stick to rocks. Starfish say tap tap. Can you say tap tap? Wow, an octopus. It has 8 arms. Octopus says a squirt squirt. Can you say squirt squirt? Look, a seahorse. It's so small and loves to swim upright. Seahorse says bloop bloop. Can you say bloop bloop? Whoa, a shark. But don't worry, this one is friendly. Shark says snap snap. Can you say snap snap? Here comes a crab. It walks sideways on the sand. Crab says click click. Can you say click click? Look at the whale. It's so big but very gentle. Whales say whoo. Can you say whoo? Time to say goodbye to our sea friends. Fish, dolphin, turtle, jellyfish, starfish, octopus, seahorse, shark, crab, and whale, all together now.